Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a video that I probably should have posted over a month ago, but you know what, sometimes we are a little behind, so I figured why not just post this. Hopefully it could give you some inspiration on future months in your reading or bullet journal. So this is going to be my January monthly spread in my reading journal, which I use this page more so as a memory keeping spread for the events that happened this month and less for reading journal purposes. So more of a bullet journal vibe, but either way, I still think it is very, very cute. So I did use one of the monthly sets from my shop. Any of the collections could easily be turned into a monthly spread with a little bit of creativity. So I did go ahead and use the winter bookish collection as well as the monthly stickers, and I will link those down below. Everything that I used, I will link down below so you can see exactly what was put into this spread. But I kind of feel like I have a little bit of a formula now that I've done a couple of these in my journal, and I really love the therapeutic vibes of putting down the stickers and just kind of decorating almost in a more artsy way, I feel, than how my normal memory planning goes, where I feel like it's just like plopping stickers down in the area that they're designated. This is a little bit more loose and a little bit more fun to kind of just throw stickers around. It reminds me of my childhood, just putting stickers on all of my notebooks and all of my folders and having a good time. So what I did here was I just put some of the torn paper corners on the edges, the monthly calendar in the middle, the January title on the top, and then I just used the two different deco sheets. One is a little bit more of a large deco sheet, whereas the other is a little bit smaller, and just went ahead and threw that deco all around. I thought it looked super cute in the end, and then I went in and put all of the date numbers in, which are on the monthly page in black, but I decided to use the yellow ones that were on the monthly page of the collection, and I think it turned out really cute. Then I went in and this was pre-January, so I went in and put in any preliminary plans that I had that I wanted to highlight using different labels and washi strips. Some of the washi strips I used to block out the days that were not in the month, and then the other ones I used for different things that were going to span multiple days. Like my husband did go on a weekend D&D trip this month, so I wanted to go ahead and put that in there as well, and I think it turned out so stinking cute. So I hope you liked this video. I'm sorry it is so late. I'm just kind of, behind a little bit, but we're going to get ahead eventually. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you are not already, I do have a channel membership where you will see all of the videos that I post early, unless I'm posting it late like this one where I'm doing this voiceover on the day that it should be posted. And all proceeds of that will be going to the Trevor Project. I wanted to do something fun this year, and that's what I came up with. So that is everything for this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!